Ako po si Emelson, ng DTF operator ng Shared Planet Caloocan. Ginagamit ito ng 6 days na may bilang na 975 meters na run this week. Ito naman po ang aking printed head area. Ang capping na may 70% good condition. Head clean. Linisin na wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ayan po. Good naman po siya. Pati po yung white nya. Buo naman po. Ang ink system tama lang. Ang waste tank dinispose lang kahapon. ABR tsaka ground wire. Dito naman po stock namin ng use. Ayan naman po yung stock ng unused. Dito naman po yung records na nagamit na CMYK, powder, white, magenta, DTF film, at solution. Daily output records, weekly printer daily checklist, at printer daily checklist. Updated naman po lahat. Wala naman po kaming in-house order. Thank you po.